Hey everybody, Tribe Nursing here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be covering on how I am able to study 8+ hours with 0 breaks. So make sure to stick around because my response to that is mind-blowing. If you are new to my channel, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe. Also, never miss another one of my videos again. All you have to do is hit the bell down below. And with all that being said, let's get started. So the way I study for 8+ hours and remain efficient is not some magic pill that makes me completely engaged in my work. It's not liters of coffee, although Starbucks hit my line, you should sponsor me. But that's besides the point. No, but for real, Starbucks, call me. On a more serious note, I'm going to talk about the 3 main reasons on how I'm able to study 8+ hours and remain efficient while studying in nursing school. Okay, so the first reason on how I am able to study 8+ hours and remain efficient while studying for my nursing courses is, you ready for this? Passion. Prior to coming to nursing school, I spent a lot of my years in college in courses that I just did not like, and I knew within my heart that I wanted to help people at the bedside, and I understood that I wanted to be there as a first responder and help stabilize patients when they come into the ER. So for that very reason, passion was the #1 reason how I am able to study 8+ hours within nursing school. Let me explain a lot more. When a human being finds their passion for something that they incredibly care about and they truly love, me personally, I would do anything to be successful, especially within my career. I'm always looking to advance my career as much as possible. And since I am incredibly passionate about the nursing field, that is literally what keeps me going. Grit is defined as having strength within your characteristics. I would say that I do have that attribute, and I know exactly what I want within my future. So having that passion of nursing is what keeps me going and keeps me motivated to push myself as much as possible. Nursing is such a great career path, especially if you are looking into nursing and curious about how it can significantly change your life as well as others. This path is most definitely for you. Therefore, I am incredibly passionate about nursing. And yes, I am able to study 8+ hours and remain efficient during my studying throughout the day. Every single morning that I wake up, I know exactly what I want and I know exactly how I'm going to achieve those goals that day. So also, having a planner also helps knock out tasks right away, and it keeps me in that zone knowing that I have to complete all these tasks before I go to bed. Something else that I do to keep me pushing through that day is setting something on the side at the end of the day that I want to do. So for example, I make sure to put something at the end of my day so I can look forward to. If there is a TV show that I want to watch, I make sure to put it at the end of my day before I go to bed. So I complete all of my tasks, and at the end of the day, I treat myself to that TV show or that one thing that I want to do for myself. It also keeps me going as well and keeps on pushing me and driving me through my studies, and it allows me to remain efficient. Overall, I do have that passion that's gonna keep me going for plenty of hours and allowing me to be engaged in my books. Many of you are thinking, oh, does he not take any bathroom breaks, or does he not, go grab himself a cup of water or tea. Yes, I do all that, but I do remain efficient within that 8-hour window. Second reason on what keeps me going and keeps me pushing through that 8-hour window of studying without barely any breaks: humanity. In this day and age, life is crazy. In the year 2020, we have so much going on in the world. The world is a very delicate place. We have tragedies that are occurring every single day. There's literally a virus outbreak happening as we speak. So humanity keeps me going. So let me explain more. We need to help each other as much as possible in the year 2020. Obviously, so much has happened within this year. The world needs more healthcare providers to help with this pandemic and all issues that's going on in the world. I'm not gonna sit here and lay out all the issues that's going on, but there are plenty, and people deserve to be helped. Humanity needs our help, especially as healthcare providers. So if you are a nursing student, keep that in mind, that humanity does need our help. Also, something else to add is that in order to help humanity, you need to stay on top of your knowledge as far as all medical care. For me, I want to become an emergency room nurse. So what does that mean? That means I'm getting all types of patients coming my way. That means I need to stay on top of my knowledge, meaning I have to be on top of my nursing skills. I need to be knowledgeable. I need to have compassion. So I make sure to have all of those skills on top. And that's what keeps me going through those 8 hours of non-stop studying. Some of you may be thinking that it's not healthy to study 8 hours without any breaks. Well, you are correct. It is not healthy to study 8 hours without any breaks. And I don't suggest you to study 8 hours without any breaks. But the point of this video is explaining how I study and what keeps me going as far as what I want in my career path. The third reason on how I study 8+ hours without barely any breaks is self-growth. I want to be the best version of myself that I possibly can be. So how can I do that? Well, it starts with my career. How do I advance my career? Well, I make sure to stay on top of my studying, on top of my skills, so I can progress my career as much as possible. I am a very passionate person, and I push myself as much as I can within my education and my career path. So I keep that in the back of my mind as I'm studying, and it allows me to push myself as much as possible. I want to be the best version of myself that I can possibly be. So I had to take a step back and ask myself, what do I want to do in my life, and how can I better humanity, and how can I grow as a person? So that answer was nursing. I mentioned in one of my other videos that I didn't find nursing, but nursing found me. Nursing is one of those career paths that is incredible, and it allows you to grow as a person, and at the same time it allows you to help others, especially those who are in need. So that wraps up my video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. So those are considered to be the reasons on how I am able to study 8+ hours throughout my day. If you liked the video, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe as well. And with all that being said, Tribe Nursing signing out.